Welcome back. We are now going to open our Etsy account. And we are going to do that by going to etsy.com/sell. Once we do that, depending on when you are seeing this video, you should see a button that gives you the option of opening your Etsy shop. You want to go on the direction and whatever that button is saying at the time in which you access the site. What you're going to do first is you're going to register with your email address. Once you do that, you're then going to click Continue. You're then going to create your account. And you're then going to click Register. What you'll then want to do is to go to your email account. What you should then see is a place where you can confirm your Etsy account. You are then going to want to click that button that says Confirm Account. Once you do that, you should see a message or some indication that your account has been confirmed and you are now ready to begin working with your Etsy account. Once we've done that, what we're going to do first is go to the account settings. And what you can then do is to set your public profile. Etsy will allow you to upload some kind of public image for your store. Once you've uploaded the image, what you can then do is save. Your image will then be in place. If you want to make changes to your display name, you can do that here. You'll save the changes. You can then indicate your gender as well as other demographic information. And what you'll then want to do is you'll want to write something brief about who you are and who you want to brand yourself as while you're going to be on Etsy. Now you'll want to make sure that you're looking at other individuals that already have an Etsy profile. Now you're going to see that about information here on your store when people are looking at it on the front page. Etsy will then ask you your favorite materials and allow you to share up to 13 materials that you like. Now this is going to be optional, as is leaving the items ticked that you want to show on your profile. Once you've completed everything, you can then click Save Changes. Once you've done that, you have all of your basic information in order to go to the next step. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.